Transform your Samsung Smart TV into the ultimate Android gaming console by unlocking these simple yet powerful methods. First up, let's explore the easiest route: screen mirroring your Android device. On your Android phone or tablet, swipe down from the top to access your quick settings. Look for an option like Cast, Smart View, or Screen Mirroring. Tap on it. Your phone will then scan for nearby devices. Select your Samsung Smart TV from the list that appears. You might need to confirm the connection on your TV screen. And just like that, your phone screen is mirrored onto your TV. Now launch any Android game on your phone, and it will be displayed in stunning high definition on your big screen. For an even more integrated experience, many Samsung Smart TVs allow you to directly install Android gaming apps from the Google Play Store. Using your Samsung TV remote, navigate to the Apps section of your Smart Hub. If you don't already have it, download and open the Google Play Store application. Once inside the Play Store, use the search function to find your favorite Android games. Browse, select a game, and simply hit the Install button. The game will download and install directly onto your TV. Once installed, you can launch it right from your TV's app menu. No phone needed. To truly elevate your gaming experience, consider connecting a compatible gamepad. Go into your Samsung TV settings, find the Bluetooth menu, and pair your gaming controller. Many modern controllers, including those from Xbox and PlayStation, work seamlessly. Immerse yourself in your favorite titles with precise controls and a more comfortable gaming posture. Now you're ready to conquer any Android game on your Samsung Smart TV.